how to share videos from Filto to TikTok. Let's share your edit straight to TikTok. Open the Filto app, tap the plus icon to add new project, import video or photo from your gallery. Once it loads, edit your photo or video by adding effects, filter, adds a sticker and more. It's up to you. After editing, tap export in Filto at the top right corner. From the sharing option, select TikTok. Filto will open TikTok. Just draft your post, add music caption, then if you want to upload, you can upload. Export in vertical format for TikTok for best result. And that's it. Your video is ready to go viral on TikTok. If you love this tutorial, hit like, share and subscribe for more Filto tips. Catch you in the next one.